Hello everyone, my name is Karen Pittman. I am the project manager for PDGo Digital Marketing. In this video, I will show you how to set up an online store and add products to your store on your website using version 4 of the PDGo system. The first thing you'll want to do is log into the web manager. There are a couple of steps you need to take in order to get your e-store set up. We'll go here to Web Pages. There are 3 pages that you need to set up initially in order to get your online store going. We have a checkout page, an ordered success page, and an order failed page. So we will go in to edit the checkout page. What we need to do here is we need to add the checkout core widget to this page. In order to do that, we will click on Insert, go to the widget section, select Checkout, drag it into the editor on the page, and you will see that your shopping cart will appear. Of course, it's empty now as we haven't added any products to our cart. So let's go ahead and publish changes. And we'll go back out to our list of pages. The order success page is a page with a short message that will let your user know that they have successfully made a purchase on your site. I have that set up here. You can see it says your order has been successfully processed. If there is a problem with the purchase being processed on your site, the order failed page will send a message to the customer. And there's just a short message to let them know that the process failed, and I have that set up here. The next thing we would need to do is go to Website Settings. Once we're in Website Settings, we want to go to the Checkout Orders option. So here where it says PayPal email, we want to make sure that we enter the email address that is associated with the PayPal account that you would like the funds to be transferred to. So we click on this field and you will enter that email address here. Click Save. A couple of other settings in this section also need to be in place. We will go here to Order Success page. This is where we would select the page we set up for this purpose. The same for Order Fail page. We would click here and select Order Failed. There are several other options here that we can go into detail on in another video. For the purposes of this video, we just want these main fields filled in. So let's go back out. So now we will create a product to add to our online store that we just set up. In order to do that, we are back at the main page of the Web Manager. We will scroll down under the Storage Items section and select Products. We will click Add Product to add a new product. And we will call it Test Product. If we wanted to change the name, you could click this button for Rename Product and change it to whatever you like. In this video, we will set up a quick, simple product, so I have that selected. So in order to do that, I just need to set what my price will be. So let's say $75. So I enter in that amount, click Save. The only other field I really need to fill in is the number in stock. And the reason why we do this is if we don't put numbers in this field, it'll actually display an error message on our product page saying that we are out of stock on our product, and we don't want that. So I just put in several ones, and that will prevent that from happening. So this is the basic items that need to be filled in to set up a simple product. So now that we have that done, we can click out of here. So now that we have our product created, I'm going to go back to Web Pages. I've created a page here called My Products. I'm going to double click it to edit this page. There are a few things that I have already set up on this page just for layout purposes and making things look nice. So I've added a page title here, a little column layout with an image of our portfolio that we're going to sell, and then a title of the product. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually add the product that we just created to this page. To do that, we click Insert, We go to the product storage area here, select our test product that we created. I'm going to just drag it right underneath the product name. You'll see the price that we set is there, the $75. And then we have our add to cart button that appears as well. So I'm just going to publish changes. So this is how the product page displays in the web browser. We have the image, the title, the price, and the add to cart button. So if I click the add to cart button, it takes me to the checkout page that we created. So it has the product name, test product is what we named it. The number of this item that I want is 1. I can change this. Let's say I want it 3. And I click update quantities and it changes my total here. Then when I click on checkout with PayPal, this takes the user to the payment page for your business PayPal account. They can log in and pay through their own PayPal account if they have one, or they can check out as a guest and fill in their credit card information and billing information and pay directly through PayPal that way. That is it for setting up an online store and adding products to your store in version 4 of the PDGO system. We hope that you found this video to be helpful.